What's up guys? Today I got another easy one for you. Today we are going to be installing a front lip on the EK and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So what I have here is a Civic Type R replica front lip. I paid somewhere around 50 bucks for it and it came with a bunch of stuff. It came with actual 3M double-sided tape. It came with like a bunch of these black screws, these longer ones, as well as these shorter black screws. It came with self-tappers, these little speed nut things, and it also came with like a little tube of adhesion promoter, an alcohol wipe, and 600 grit sandpaper. Lots of extra stuff. I'd say at a bare minimum what you need for this is 2 screws and this double-sided tape, and I'm probably going to use a little bit more than that, but we'll go through this together. This was a really good setup for what I paid for, so I'm going to put a link to this exact lip in the description. It'll be on eBay. If you buy it, I'll get like a little bit of a kickback from it because I'm an eBay affiliate, and I don't know how long this link will work, but I'll go ahead and place it in the description. So first, before we even start, you might want to put like some masking tape on your front bumper if you're worried about test fitting, scratching stuff up. I'm not worried about it with this car. This car's pretty junky. This bumper's kind of toast. So what you want to do is just hold your lip up here and just make sure that it's going to fit. The one thing that I don't like about this one is there is a little bit of a gap right here on both sides, but it's not that noticeable. It does fit. Come over here and we can wrap that around the back. And this is really hard to do. I was trying to tape it. It doesn't really like to hold up. So what I think I'm going to end up doing is just holding up that side where I want it to sit, running a screw through it, and then wrapping around to the other side and putting a screw through that, and then taking it back off and doing the adhesive on the front. And then we'll add extra screws wherever they're needed. Before we start mounting at all, I'm gonna go ahead and wash just the bottom of the bumper, just make sure there's no bug guts on it or dirt or anything like that. Got the bumper all clean. Clean my wheels too while I was at it because they're caked in brake dust. And now we're gonna come up here and we're actually going to take that sandpaper that was included here. If you're not worried about this, you can skip this step. But I'm just gonna sand this inner part right there where the adhesive's gonna go. This is gonna help it stick just a little bit better. And then I'm gonna clean it with the soap and water. All right, while everything's drying, I'm gonna go ahead and use the provided self-tappers to install the lip on both sides near the wheel. So really quickly, I've actually just used a small bungee cord, wrapped it around that brace back there and underneath the bumper to hold this sort of in place while I put these tack screws in, these self-tappers. I know it's kind of hard to see with black on the black car, but the lip is mounted now and it's even all the way across. Didn't do any measuring or anything, just kind of eyeballed of where I want it to sit on both sides of the bumper. And now, there's one thing that I've noticed with these lips, and that's that one side will usually bow out more than the other. And so you'll usually have to put a third screw in on at least one side. This one looks like it's pretty even actually. This side might be a little bit more bowed out. And I like how that one's sitting a little bit better than this side. So, because they gave me all of these, they gave me 4 of these, I'm gonna use all 4 of them just to make sure this thing is sturdy in there. So I'm gonna push this in just a tiny bit like that. Just like that, and I'm gonna run another screw through like right there, and then just run another screw through the other side. All right, now we gotta take this off and put the double stick tape on. And we're gonna put the center of the lip on first with the double stick tape. So, to make sure it goes up all the way on, we're gonna take a piece of tape and put it in here. Right where the front of the lip ends. Now we're gonna go ahead and take this off and double stick the inner part. First, we're gonna use the included alcohol wipe to wipe down both the inside right here where the tape is gonna stick and the bumper right here where we're placing the tape. I'm gonna place the tape right here. Right along the inner seam. Right where it's gonna stick. I'm gonna do a second row. It's going to be the hard part. We're going to peel the red off. It's not sticking very good because it's really cold out. I tried to dry everything off and it's not drying off that well. So it is what it is. I don't care about this car that much. And then over here though, for the final mounting screws, we're gonna slide these over the holes. And now with those clips in place, we can install it with these black screws, but we're gonna go ahead and place the center on and then connect the sides. All right, now it's on really good on the sides, and we're just gonna go ahead and give this one more push back down over here to get it to try to adhere. I don't really think this double stick tape is gonna do much. This lip is pretty tight, and we are now completely installed. Looks sweet. So I tried to put some screws underneath to kind of hold things in better, and it just made it look a little bit more warped. I'm sure if I spent more time on it, I could get it to be better, but I took them out. And honestly, it looks awesome. It's gonna hold up. This is my beater. It doesn't have to be perfect, but if you take your time and use my instructions, make sure everything's dry before you put the double-sided tape down, you should have a pretty clean install on your car. That's it, guys. Next video that we do on this car is going to be a Type R grill upgrade, how to install a grill. So stay tuned for that. If you like my channel, you like my content, give this video a thumbs up. Feel free to share my videos. I have this car behind me is a turbo D16 that's bagged. I have that entire build on my channel. I have builds of multiple cars on my channel. If you subscribe and share my content, that would do me a huge favor. Thank you guys so much for watching, and peace out.